What's up, everybody? It's Kevin back with another video, and today I'm working on my daughter's Mazda 3. It's a 2018, and her touchscreen has gone kaput. So this is the new one, but I'm going to show you the old one, and it is just delaminating. It is a pain. It looks horrible, and we're going to replace it today with hopefully a few simple steps. Check it out. So here's what's going on. You can see the inside of this is delaminating. So the outside is nice and smooth, but the inside is coming apart. And so we're gonna take this entire dash apart. Now, I wasn't gonna do a video initially, but I already started popping off this here so that we could take this off. So I'm gonna show you really quickly where these little pins are. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can see right there, there, and there. So I started prying over here, popped this one out, and then applied some pressure, popped it out, etc. Went down. And when I got to this one, the whole thing just slid out. And that is where we are. So now what we need to do is actually disconnect this right here. And I'm doing this one-handed. That was super simple. All right, so that is your hazards, your blinkers. All right, so you can see right there, that is a 10mm bolt. So that bolt came out, and then this whole part just sort of comes apart. All right, let's see what we got here. So we're gonna take 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts off now. All right, we've got 2 connectors we need to take apart. So we've got 2 connectors on the back we have to pop off. And now the whole thing is apart. So far, so easy. Let's see what we got. All right, we need to take these screws apart here. All right, so there are 2 screws, and there are 2 screws that I removed. And now, it pops off. All right, let's take this apart. So I took out this screw and this screw, and then this kind of pops up. Now, those are not long screws, but they are longer than the ones up here. So I also took that out already to kind of show you. And basically, what we have to do now is we have to pop off the ribbon so that we can lift this all out. And then we're going to use that and just place it back in. So the new one comes with the screen and the plastic all combined, so you don't have to get rid of the adhesive, which is nice. So depends on your model. This is a 2018 Mazda 3, so this is the one I ordered. I'll put the link in the description, but let's disconnect the ribbon so that we can have the touchscreen working, and then let's put it back together. So right here, this little piece popped up. You'll see me pop it down when I reconnect it, but you can see it moves back and forth. So this popped up, and that's going to allow me to get to the ribbon. I'm gonna turn this sideways and try to back this out here. And that's how easy that comes out. So now, in theory, this whole thing just pops out. I don't want to touch that because I don't want anything to get on that, and I'm just gonna really quick lay this into the new one. Okay, so we're gonna pull off the plastic from the new one. Bring this over here. I just got to put the screws in to kind of get it to hold in place. I'm just gonna... So this slides right in, back in, and you can, it's sort of seated, you can feel it. And then you just pull this clip back, and then it locks the pins together. So we need to put those 2 screws back in, and then also those 2 screws. So we connected that again. We're gonna flip this right side up, connect those bolts. All right, I got those tightened up again. I'm gonna slide this up. So first I'm gonna finger tighten this back. And now before I actually put this back together, this was the most frustrating part. I'm just gonna make sure it turns on. Mazda. There we go. Oh, and it works. No phone connected, no. All right, so it's working. I can click through, and it works down here too. All right, we can put this all back together and we are set, ready to go. Don't forget to connect your hazard light right here. All right, that's hooked up, and now, there we go. And we're all done. All right, so there you have it. That is the piece that was coming apart. It was broken. It was so gross to look at. I couldn't stand it. It's easy. It did not take long at all. I did this one-handed, probably in 30 minutes, taking video and everything like that. So yeah, get in there. This was 30 bucks, I think. I'll put a link in the description below. Click the link, buy the product, and fix your car. It's pretty simple. All right, guys, if you like the video, let me know. Thumbs up, comments if you've had the same issue with this. And yeah, until the next video, take care. Bye.